Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-free adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. New ideas crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. Beautiful and different color crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you this some crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. These all collection are very useful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. These are all handmade crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet strawberry keychain designs collection. White and red color combination crochet strawberry keychain designs pattern. Easy and beautiful crochet strawberry design. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.